The one question I get asked almost every single time by every single person in cryptocurrency is, how do I earn more Bitcoin? Yes, most cryptocurrency channels are about investing and being able to increase your money by the appreciation of the asset. But actually earning Bitcoin with cash flow methods is difficult. In this video, we're gonna be talking about 5 secrets that I've used for years to earn Bitcoin. Keep watching. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, most cryptocurrency YouTubers, they're feeding off people's emotions. When there's a little dip, they're panic selling and telling people to panic sell. When it's like going up, it's the most bullish news ever, right? I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. You could feed off people's emotions by doing this, but sometimes people just read headlines and then make trades based off the headlines. So calling all YouTubers, guys, let's try to be a little bit smarter about this. Let's try to put some realistic content for people to be able to actually get some, good value in this, but I'm obviously guilty of it sometimes with clickbaiting, of course. I hear this all the time.
Alex, I don't have enough money for Bitcoin. How do I get more money to buy the dip? Alex, I want to fire my boss and become financially independent.
This is definitely the greatest cryptocurrency channel on earth, for sure, because we explore all areas of finance. It's not just investing. Life is not one-dimensional. We're going to be exploring, again, the most important thing, which is cash flow. What we won't be talking about are those like scammy Bitcoin faucets. You only make like a dollar a day, even less than that, like a cent a day. We're not going to be talking about like those scammy gambling websites. We're definitely not going to talk about like those mobile browsers or like those mobile games that like get you fake Bitcoin and stuff like that. We're going to be talking about legitimate ways to make money in cryptocurrency. Like legitimate ways to make money in crypto. And I know baby, money-making method that some cryptocurrency YouTuber told you about. People are waking up to the marketing gimmicks, guys. People are waking up to it. So I'm gonna do the best marketing gimmick ever invented ever. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. They don't make you money. We will explore actual real ways to make money, something that I would actually start up myself if I didn't have my current business. And these are not baby money-making methods. Seriously, guys, I wanna stress that a lot. My videos will not leave like that warm, fuzzy feeling in your stomach. To be honest, my goal is not to make you comfortable. If you want somebody to tickle your fancy or make you feel good about yourself, go somewhere else. So I'm gonna be pointing out a few categories, because if you fall in one of these categories, you might as well leave the video now, and this is a complete waste of your time. If you're lazy and do not have any work ethic at all, this is a complete waste of time. Leave now. Also, this is the most important one. Look, if you're not smashing the like button, if you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and do that. I'm gonna pause this video. We're gonna stay here until you do that. So go ahead and hit that like button. I'm waiting. The video will continue when you hit the like button. 3, if you can't think long term, this is a complete waste of time. Just leave now. 4, if you always make excuses for yourself and you feel bad for yourself, 24/7, and you find every reason not to do something, again, this video is a complete waste of your time. All right, and for all my lazy people, not willing to work too hard, don't worry. I got a really good section for you. Towards the end of this video, I'm gonna call it the quick and easy section. These are gonna be quick and easy methods that I use to flip money almost immediately, to make money almost overnight, doubling, tripling your money almost overnight. And they're obviously not sustainable, but again, if you're lazy, stick to the end of the video. Now, it might sound intimidating, but I will be honest with you guys. These are the easiest methods that you can make money in cryptocurrency as of today, like 2020 and 2021. I'm not making up these methods from some old, like 90-year-old guy that hates cryptocurrency. This is like new age techniques that you can use now. And if you're an actual entrepreneur, go check out my second channel. It's all about entrepreneurship and business. We also talk about money there as well, but it's less cryptocurrency. I'm gonna be giving all types of gems. Go follow my other channel. All right, so let's get started. Guys, go ahead and leave a comment below of your favorite method, and I'll make a whole video on your favorite method. Again, I will create a whole detailed video blueprinting the whole entire business model for you guys so you can go execute it yourself. And I can easily do this because, again, I have my own business and you are not competing with me. So there's no conflict of interest. Number 1, this one most of you might know, but I have to say it. It's gonna be staking, mining, or liquidity providing for yield farming, okay? The really cool part about this is that the APY, the annual percentage yield, is out of this world, and nothing in traditional finance will ever touch it. We're talking about APY, anywhere from 10 to 50% to even 100% a year. The pros in this are obvious. You can use stable coins, so you don't even have to buy like the actual Bitcoin and use the volatility of it. You could put stable coins and get anywhere from 30 to 50% APY. So the APY is extremely competitive. Another pro to this is sit and forget. So once you do your research and you invest in the right platform, you can put it there and you don't have to do anything. It's just guaranteed passive income. I'm currently doing this on Yearn Finance. I'm getting about 40% APY on my money. The cons in this situation is that if you invest in a scam, you will probably lose your money. Anything above 50% APY has inherent risk, and you need to research the project in great depth to make sure that you're not putting your money in a scam. The general rule of thumb that I always have for all of my investments is that if it's too good to be true, don't trust it. You will get scammed, okay? You will get scammed. This is cryptocurrency. 2, cryptocurrency affiliate programs and marketing. So obviously I have a YouTube channel, but believe it or not, if there's like a new person that you want to onboard to cryptocurrency, you could easily make anywhere from $200 to $500. And a lot of times, like the actual affiliate program itself will offer a benefit for the end user and yourself. So like, for example, in Coinbase, if you spend $100, the actual person will get an extra $10 in Bitcoin, and so will you. And there's all types of affiliate programs all over cryptocurrency that are very lucrative. The pros in this situation is that it's pretty much easy money. It has no cost to you at all, except for your time, and it's very easy in my opinion. And the cons in this situation is 1, people are lazy. 2, they're lazy. 3, they're pretty much lazy. 4, they're negative. And then of course, they're lazy. That's literally the only thing wrong with this cash flow is just people just don't do it. But here's some actually really good platforms that I currently use myself. Number 1, the Brave browser is really good because they actually don't have to spend money to download it. I don't believe the affiliate program is currently working. I believe they discontinued it, but if it's still there, that is the best one by far. 2, crypto.com, you get $50 if you onboard somebody onto the credit card. 3, Coinbase Earn While You Learn is stupid, to be honest with you guys. They give the end user a free $150 just for signing up, and they don't even have to spend one dime, and then you get affiliate commission as well. If you're an actual trader, there's something called Bybit. You can get people to sign up for any exchange. Bybit and Femex are the 2 most lucrative from what I've heard. There's all types of crypto software tax solutions. So if you have a person that's worried about taxes, you can get them to sign up for some type of tax advisor. There's different platforms. I don't currently have one in particular, but they all have affiliate programs. Hardware wallets like Trezors, Ledgers, people need it anyways to store their cryptocurrency. You could easily give them a discount by using your referral code. Go to the website, sign up for the affiliate program. They have a great affiliate product. Any other cryptocurrency exchange will do. They all have affiliate programs. And then there's also like a software where you can spend money on gift cards, things that you're going to purchase anyways, and you can get like 3% back. It's called Lolly. Go ahead and check it out. The important part about affiliate programs is make sure you're not scamming people and selling the wrong products. So make sure you filter out the bad platforms from the good ones, because again, guys, this is cryptocurrency. You will get scammed. 3, consulting and customer service. So obviously I do this. I sell a digital program and I educate people to get into cryptocurrency. 1, it's extremely lucrative if you make your own course. But the only problem with that is that you have to actually have credibility. So I don't recommend people making a course if you're just starting off in cryptocurrency. But what you could do is get far ahead of people that are just starting, the noobs, right? Get far ahead of them and then offer them a consulting fee. So you can literally say, hey, I'll set up all your accounts for $100 or something like that. And then you can actually combine it with number 2 with the affiliate program and then get them signed up to your own links. So literally all you have to do is get all these links, put it on a piece of paper. Anybody that talks about cryptocurrency, you onboard them for the fee, because keep in mind, cryptocurrency is a huge learning curve. I know a lot of you are smart in the channel and you understand it, but a lot of people are left in the dark in cryptocurrency. That's a fact. Onboarding a new user into crypto and teaching them what to do and so they don't lose their money and get scammed is extremely valuable. And if you know how to do that, use that to your advantage for sure. The pros in this situation is that it's easy. It doesn't cost you any money at all. And it's basically just effort. There's no upfront investment or anything. The cons in this situation is that most people are lazy. They're lazy. They're negative and they don't believe in themselves and they're lazy. All right, 4, this one's actually like super lucrative. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've seen people do it all over, become millionaires almost overnight. You could actually fish people, trick them to send you money, and then just go poof and just disappear. Like literally, you can go on Fiverr, right? Have somebody make you a fake cryptocurrency exchange and then tell people to, put their money on the cryptocurrency exchange and just go poof and just leave. Or you can fake like a YouTube account, put somebody else's video on it, and then tell people to send to this address Bitcoin and you'll double it. And then you could just, scam people all day, to be honest. Nah, but for real, seriously, guys, I'm joking. Obviously, this is not true at all, but I did want to make you aware of a lot of scams in cryptocurrency, and a lot of people still making money with these scams. Now, the problem with this is that it's not sustainable long term. When you're running a legal business, you also have to scale up the illegalities of it. So if you're like, under pressure for your life to go to jail, go to prison or something like that, as you scale up to like the millions of dollars, yeah, you might be able to make money short term, make a couple grand short term, but as you scale up, so do, the issues, and so does all the risk, right? So it's very hard to scale an illegal business. I want you to think about a business when you look at like an actual snowball coming down, a hill, right? When a snowball's coming down the hill, as it keeps going, you're building a bigger and bigger snowball, which then makes you more and more money. If you're doing that with an illegal business, you're pretty much wasting your time because eventually, again, one, you'll get caught, you'll go to jail, or you'll just fold under pressure because the risk is way too high. So don't make an illegal business. Don't do that. It's pretty much dumb. For the people that are actually doing it, like keep in mind, there's so much better ways to make money, and you're wasting your time, to be honest. You're going to lose to people that actually make real businesses in the end, so it doesn't really matter. Plus, scammers are annoying, right?
Sir, what are you doing? You're wasting my time. Sir, you're wasting my time.
I gave you my date of birth.
Expiration date of your credit card.
All right, the real number 4. So you could do on-chain data aggregation or website building. Now, this is where we're getting a little bit more advanced, but I'm gonna save the best for last. The last two are the most lucrative by far. So you can learn something like coding websites and looking at the blockchain and actually generate a couple of things. Let me explain. So the first thing you could do is you can take this data, manipulate it for investors, and then make some type of website where people can come and look at your data. There's people that do this all the time. If you look up like DeFi Pulse or any of these data aggregating, websites, I'm sure a lot of you get your information from them already. The beautiful part is that the blockchain's wide open and anybody can get any information about any transaction ever. Traditional finance, this transparency was not available. So there's all types of ways to manipulate the data in your favor, and then you can do one of two things. You can charge a subscription service where people actually purchase your information, or you could just get people to come to your website and then put little, advertisements and get paid off of Google AdSense. All you gotta do is make your website popular by doing a little bit of SEO. Of course, this is a long-term thing. I told you guys, if you're not into the long-term, you might as well have left the video a while ago. So this is something that's gonna take you a while. Now, the pros in this situation is that you learn a lifetime skill. You learn how to build a business from scratch and actually make serious money. You build that huge snowball that we're talking about, and it has a lot of longevity. The cons in the situation is that you have to learn how to code a little bit, which is not really a con because you can go learn in 2 weeks how to code HTML and just research the blockchain and read 10 books on blockchain technology. Number 5, smart contract auditing and creation. So there's 2 ways you can really make money off of smart contracts. Obviously, again, we're getting a little bit more advanced, but this is where you get seriously rich. The first way is you can audit smart contracts. These new smart contracts that are coming out have a lot of security and vulnerability issues, okay? They have like the regular attacks where there could be a bug in their code, and they also have economic attacks, okay? So if you can solve that problem for yield farmers or even the smart contract themselves, it is very lucrative. I'm talking about some of people get paid, $500,000, $100,000 to audit the smart contract. Okay. The pros in this situation, obviously you're going to get rich like almost immediately, and the information is extremely valuable. But the cons in this situation is that it's going to take a while for you to really develop like a serious reputation and security, and it's a huge learning curve. It's just the truth. Now, the second one is you can actually create the contracts yourself. You can create these smart contracts in a number of different use cases. The beauty of blockchain technology is that it's open source, so you can copy somebody else's code, make a small change to it, and then call it yours. You can do this even like 10 or 20 times. Some people make all different types of smart contracts to see what use case works and what use case doesn't. Now, if you think all of this is a complete waste of time and that you're never gonna make it, well, keep in mind that according to Glassnode Insights, there was a 300% increase on blockchain-based jobs. So even if you can't successfully make a smart contract, or even if you can't successfully audit and develop that reputation, you can easily just work for another company. There's nothing wrong with that. That's still cash flow, and you're gonna be probably making over 6 figures. Again, the pros, you're gonna get very, very rich, and you're gonna learn a skill that not many people on earth know. Think about it. LeBron James gets paid $20 to $30 million a year because he could do something that nobody on earth can do. It's the same thing with blockchain coding. Nobody's really in this industry. It's still really small. So you're learning a lifetime skill, right? The obvious cons is that it's gonna take a while. You're gonna have to put in an extreme amount of effort. But again, if you're not in it for the long term, you should have left this video a long time ago.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Remember, Mark Zuckerberg wouldn't be Mark Zuckerberg if he didn't do what he did, right? You guys sometimes have to have the confidence in yourself to do things that you think are impossible. It was the same with me. I did certain things that I thought were impossible. And look at me now, right?
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh.
You could be in the same situation. You just have to work hard for long periods of time and stay consistent. All right, I'm gonna run down the list. Number 1, I've done almost everything in this list. Graphics card flipping. Actually, currently you can buy the GeForce RTX 3070, 3080, and 3090. Right now, this method is working. You can go to the website. They're running out of stock almost immediately. Buy it before anybody else does. You have to keep refreshing the website and make sure you can find it. And don't say, it's not gonna work because you're just being lazy, because I have friends that are doing it right now. And then you can sell the graphics card on eBay for double the price. Like immediately, you can sell it for double the price. Because keep in mind, guys, the gamers want the graphics card and so do the miners in cryptocurrency. So it's kind of a win-win situation. You're gonna guarantee sell your cards. 2, ASIC miner flipping. So ASIC miners are actual Bitcoin miners. These are a little bit more detailed to only mining industry. Now, the beauty of it is that you can buy them in bulk. I really don't recommend people do this on a small scale. So there's this website that you can go to. It's called asicminervalue.com. You can see the profitability of the miners, and you could actually buy bulk by going to the manufacturer's website. If you buy a bulk, yes, it's gonna cost a lot more money, but you're gonna get like 50% off because the resale value is double the amount. You could then go and take these miners and resell them for double the amount. I've even seen some places where they have a whole bunch of miners, they're not selling, so they're actually mining Bitcoin, and then when they do sell, they package it up and sell it. So it's like a win-win-win situation. 3, actual GPU miner flipping. So instead of buying the actual graphics card, you can build the mining computers yourself. Okay, you could literally put together all the mining components and charge extra for that service. You could also say, hey, I'll keep your miner running for you for $50 a month and charge some type of fee for doing that in customer service. 4, price arbitrage. Cryptocurrency is extremely inefficient as a market. There will be certain prices of a coin on one exchange that are cheaper than other prices on a coin on another exchange. So if you have large amounts of capital, you can buy the cheaper coin and sell it on the other exchange and make a profit. People do this all the time, but you have to, again, have enough money because you're gonna get eaten up by the fees. Do the fees into the calculation and go ahead and watch exchanges. You could even make like a bot where you could take an API feed off of multiple exchanges so you don't have to like click on each one just to see the price. 5, airdrop watching. So before I would have never put this on the list, but recently Uniswap gave out $1,200. They gave out 400 uni tokens, which right now is worth $1,500 for free to anyone that used their platform. I'm talking about getting a free $1,500 stimulus check in cryptocurrency. I got it. A whole bunch of people got it. It made a huge disturbance. Everybody was happy about it. And the reason why I think it's lucrative now is because there's going to be other projects that follow in the same footsteps. So if you go to these websites, all you have to do is Google search like airdrop, cryptocurrency airdrop watching or whatever. And you could definitely watch the airdrops for various coins and they'll give you free cryptocurrency for no reason. And some of them might be worth nothing. Some of them might hit, like Uniswap and be worth $1,500. But again, none of these ways are sustainable. I highly recommend you guys get into the business because you're going to make money long term. It's as simple as that. Remember guys, don't let this video go to waste as entertainment. I know you watched it and you feel like you did something, but actually going and physically doing something is 10 times better than watching any of these videos. But if you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism, subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with this technology, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.